This little clip shows us playing noughts and crosses, or 3 in a row. We're using it with the pattern bits in board. As you can see, in each square there is a sentence using the pattern, my parts of the body, gyda fi. For instance, my pen tossed to fi. The children play against a partner, and the aim of the game is for them to read one of the squares and to, if they get it correct, to either put a tick or a cross in it and to try and get 3 in a row. This is a great way to develop reading skills and to practice using a targeted pattern, and the children don't realise they're learning as they're just having so much fun playing the game. But it's a great way to reinforce reading and speaking and listening.
Right, Tobias I ddechrau. Dywyswch un sgwarn. Dallena y brawddeg. Da iawn, nawr beth wyt ti eisiau? Noughts? Na chos. Thea. Dywyswch un. Dwi'n mynd I wneud dywyswch un sgwar, dallena. Beth ydy brawddeg? Mae... Da iawn, trwrt y bai. Da iawn. Dia, meddylia. 3 mewn rhes. Nawr, dallena. Mae... Da iawn, mae bright. Nicely stopped. Da iawn.
He's doing it.
Yeah.
He's doing it. Yeah.
Nawr, anafales Dia. Ble wyt ti eisiau gwneud nesaf?
I think I know how he could win.
Okay, dallena.
Toss the bait.
Da iawn. Trwg dy bai iawn.
Nobody won. Down.
Da iawn.
You can. Nobody can win. No. Toss.
O, da iawn, Dia.
Nobody won. Draw.
Da iawn, it was a draw. Da iawn. Da iawn. O,